We're in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. We're taking a walk down the beach at Hotel Row, as you can see over here on the left. We're going to take you with us on this walk, share the beautiful ocean, the beautiful waves, and all the sounds of the beach. Hi, I'm Carmen, and we hope you enjoy this walking tour of the beach. If you do like it, we hope you'll give it a thumbs up. We appreciate that. It is a gorgeous day, beautiful. It's that perfect weather where it's not hot, it's not cold. It is a little windy, breezy. If you see a haze, that's what that is. It's actually blowing the sand up because it's quite windy, but it is beautiful. I mean, as you can see, people are enjoying wading in the surf. It's just really lovely. So when is your next trip to Myrtle Beach? Do you have one planned? Let us know in the comments below. This just never gets old, that smell of the salt. There's a few little shells here on the beach. We got a seagull. You can also tell it's windy looking out there. It's a little rough out there. We've actually walked on the beach before where you get like sandblasted from the wind. It's not quite that windy today. It was earlier though. Earlier today, I think they said the winds were 40 miles an hour, and this wasn't from storms, it's just wind, which is kind of interesting. Someone's flying a kite. They definitely picked a good day for that. So if you're wondering about our location, we are near the southern end of the main strip of Ocean Boulevard. So we are walking towards the main boardwalk area where the Skywheel is, and we're walking north. And so we try to film walking videos from all different locations up and down the Grand Strand, particularly the Myrtle Beach strip, but we've also done a walk on Surfside Beach. I'll link that in the description below. And we have walks that are, say, near the boardwalk. We have walks that are in the northern part on the Golden Mile. So if you're interested in those, you can just go to our channel page on YouTube and search for them and they will come up. And I'll try to link a few of those in the description below as well. We do get a lot of questions. You just saw that gentleman with the dog about whether you can bring your dogs on the beach. You definitely can, only certain times of the year, during certain hours. So during peak tourist season, you only can walk them at certain hours, kind of like earlier in the morning. And there's also rules about how long the leash can be, and you can find all of that on the City of Myrtle Beach's website. Definitely a great place to walk your dog if it's allowed, if it's the time of the year that it's allowed or the time of day. And there are hotels here that are pet friendly, as well, of course, as, you know, house rentals and condo rentals, but we can definitely tell you for sure, and we have videos on it, the Residence Inn by Marriott that's oceanfront, they allow dogs. So that's one consideration if you're wanting to come and bring your furry friend with you. And I'm sure there's many others, we just know that one because we've stayed there. Get a little closer to the ocean so you can hear it. This just is amazing. Wish you had smell-o-vision so you could smell that salt air. I keep hearing planes and helicopters go by behind us. Since we were at the south end of Ocean Boulevard, we're not far from the airport. And if you go down even further south to Myrtle Beach State Park, you can watch the planes go right over the beach sometimes. Pretty low, so it's pretty neat to watch. It's fun thing to do. And that's actually another place we have a walk, is from Springmaid Pier to the Myrtle Beach State Park Pier, and that walk right there is where you will see, sometimes, it depends on how they're pathing, the planes go right over the beach. a lot of people out enjoying this nice weather. Oh, it's just gorgeous. Got some seashell hunting. We've already seen people doing metal detecting. What's your favorite activity on the beach? Do you like to just hang out and relax, take it all in? Do you like to walk? Do you like to fish? Or do you metal detect? We do have a metal detector. We haven't done it in a long time, but we do have one. It is fun. You like to walk your dog, look for seashells, build sand castles, and of course swim when the ocean's warm enough. Let us know in the comments what your favorite activity is. I think for us it's walking. I like looking for seashells when there are seashells to be found, which is not every day. But sometimes after a storm especially, there'll be some really good shells. And there's definitely certain places where the shelling is better. Huntington Beach State Park has really good shell hunting, which is about 20 minutes south of Myrtle Beach. And they have a jetty there, and because of that they get some really good shells. One of the best shells I ever found was from that park. Someone feeding the seagulls up here. That's fun as long as you have a hat on. That would be my piece of advice. You will be the most popular person for those seagulls. I can still remember as a kid either going to feed ducks or going to feed pigeons. I guess that's just a really fun thing to do when you're a kid. I don't remember ever feeding seagulls. Maybe we did that too. I hear them making the noise. I don't know if it will pick up yet on my mic here, but they are happy to be fed. When you stay here at Myrtle Beach, do you stay oceanfront? And if you do, what's your favorite resort? And do you like staying at the south end or the north end? And since we talked about fishing as an activity, another tip for fishing, to fish off the shore, like right here, if you wanted to set up and start fishing, you do need a South Carolina fishing license. If you want to fish from a pier there, the pier will charge you a fee, and you do not need a South Carolina fishing license. So if you're only going to be here for one day, that's probably a good way to go. But if you're going to be here frequently and fish often, you can even look into getting an annual South Carolina fishing license. And also, I think for seniors, but don't quote me, definitely look this up for yourself, I think they have some lifetime type passes. So that's another option if you're 65 or older. This is definitely my favorite part of Myrtle Beach though. I love the entertainment, the restaurants, everything it has to offer, but the best part is the actual beach. The shells today, even though there's quite a few, they're all broken. This is one of those days where they've gotten pummeled by these waves out here. Ooh, squishy sand. I'm going to move over a little bit. I'm sinking. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to click on the video on your screen right now and click subscribe so you won't miss anything new. Thanks so much for watching. Until our next adventure.